Really comfortable, really convenient, really cool. At Thor Motor Coach, we call it the Quantum RC25, and it is this week's featured floor plan.
Roomy and capacity are also perfect words to use. With an 84-inch interior height, along with the full wall slide, you have a large living space with all the comforts of home. The booth dinette offers up seating for your family, and with the standard swivel captain's chairs, there's a comfortable place for everyone to sit. There's also a place for everyone to spend the night. In mere seconds, the booth converts into a bed, and with the ladder in place, simply climb into the overhead bunk, open the skylight with power shade, and sleep under the stars. The kitchen features a large single-bowl stainless steel sink set into solid surface countertops, a 3-burner gas cooktop with glass cover, an oven, double-door refrigerator, and with the flip-up countertop extension, you'll have all the room you need to feed your hungry family. Looking back across the residential vinyl floors, you cannot miss the large closets and dressers in the bedroom. Imagine being able to bring along everything you want, along with everything you need. There's also more storage in the closet between the bedroom and the living area. Back in the bedroom, you're going to have a great night's sleep on the queen bed. Heading to the bathroom, where you will find a stainless steel sink and shower featuring a large skylight above and a glass door. You'll always have hot water thanks to the tankless water heater. The RC25 is also big on entertainment, with the television and Blu-ray player in the living area and optional TVs in the bedroom and outside. The exterior TV is under the power patio, now featuring LED lights. The RC25 comes standard with this mega storage bay, gas generator, and stabilizing jacks. Riding on a Ford E-Series with a 305 horsepower V10 and an 8,000-pound hitch, the Quantum RC25 is ready for your next adventure.
To learn more about the Quantum RC25, visit thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world. Over 200 acres and $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership-performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?